Marketing and selling is essential in your online business. And when you have the right strategies and mindset, you not only can make a lot of money, but you can change a lot of lives. Welcome to the Online Marketing Podcast, where we help course creators, membership owners, and coaches market and sell their offers.
We're your hosts, Paul and Melissa Pruitt. Let's dive in and get started.
A successful launch starts with the right list.
Not the wrong list, not at the end. We're talking about the right list at the beginning.
The right list right from the get-go.
You know what I really like about that? You use the word successful launch, what I think a lot of people would love to have. So let's go ahead and dive into what will create a successful launch.
Yeah. So when it comes down to it, when you have a launch that just doesn't quite go that well, there was some sort of misalignment with the list building.
Yeah, so if you think about it, we talk about it in other spaces, is that when you begin with the end in mind and you know what your offer is, you know what problem it solves, you know it is desirable, you did the research, right? So then we build it forward. Remember, we created that bridge, and then in the front of it, we put in the thing that's going to bring the right people into our world. But you know what ends up happening a lot of times? People don't bridge, they don't do the research, they didn't do the things I just talked about.
I know. Those are the most key important points. And I'm telling you, I know it seems kind of boring. Like, oh gosh, I didn't become an entrepreneur to do research. But I'll tell you what, when you do that research, you figure out those problems and you could really speak into those problems, your audience is going to be heard. And that kind of leads into what we're going to be chatting about today, is that really your launch and the list building that goes along with that, it should feel like a conversation.
Yeah, and a natural conversation. Again, you don't say, the old saying in marketing that everybody should avoid is, hi, nice to meet you. Will you marry me?
Yeah.
Right? We hear that a lot. In the real world, it's like a natural conversation has an ebb and flow. It has answers, questions, conversation, just things. We build rapport. There's a mutual respect in the conversation. Mm-hmm. And a lot of people, they don't kind of do that these days.
Right. They just want to kind of skip right to it. And here's the thing. The cool thing is that when you build a great list builder, you can actually map out your conversations in advance. So you can really pre-plan. And again, it's all about being intentional. What kind of conversations are you going to have with your audience that are going to lead and bridge them to your offers?
I think that's a key word you just said there that a lot of people don't realize is possible, is the word intentional, mm-hmm. right? A lot of people think like, I'm going to randomly list build, I'm going to randomly put out lead magnets, I'm going to try this type of launch, that type of launch, all these type of things. I'm going to try to make a random offer, and I hope and pray, the crossing fingers, hope and pray that this is going to work, right? And really, it can be predictable. It's like instead of being a boat without a rudder and without a sail, and you're just like floating around and just hopefully that you discover upon the destination you want, it's like being predictable, like getting in an airplane where you know that the pilot's going to go down a certain checklist, and a navigation system, everything is going to bring you, and you're going to land like specifically right on the runway itself, right? And a lot of us don't do that mm-hmm. in our marketing. Like it's like spaghetti. We're just like all over the place, and we don't give people a clear path. We don't give them just like GPS, like if they're a little bit off, we can kind of redirect them. But again, it's that natural conversation. It's that feedback loop, right?
Absolutely. Yeah. When you do random things, you're going to get random results. So the key thing to really remember is that proper list building, when it's done really right, you're attracting clients rather than email subscribers. And that's what you want. You don't want just people to sit on a list or, again, like we talked about, the wrong people that aren't really interested in what you do. But you actually want to create relationships with those people on your list and create clients out of them.
Yeah. And if you think about it, it's like, in retail, if you had 100 people come into your restaurant and they all sat down and just ordered tap water and they didn't pay at all. Like that's how some of us, when you do random things out in the world, like that's the email list, right? So email subscriber is not necessarily a buyer.
Yeah.
Like we would go out of business. If you had that restaurant, like within a couple of weeks, you would be closing the doors because you couldn't pay the staff, you couldn't pay for supplies. And in the online world, it's a little tricky because we see this vanity metric. We see this email list going up. And if we're not really clear, if we're not having that right conversation, if we're not purposely guiding people into what potentially our next offer is, then what happens is it's the equivalent of having those empty seats or having those seats with people that are really just there for the freebie, really for the tablet. We're kind of almost groom people not to order from us, right?
Yeah.
Not to pay us. And that's fairly dangerous to be in that position.
Yeah. So again, as you're thinking about your list building, you want to be really intentional with it. You want to have those conversations that are going to lead the right people into your world, being really intentional. And again, it should all feel like a conversation in advance. And this is something that you could do ahead of time.
Yeah. So circling back around though, creating this conversation, this GPS vibe that people, that we're talking about, a lot of people might not know how, we talk about mapping out, but they might not know how to actually map it out. Maybe we have put together something for you that will help you map out this conversation. Melissa, do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Absolutely. Yeah. So we have our launch conversation calendar. And this is going to do exactly that. Help you map out those conversations, the conversations that you need to have with your audience to bridge them into your offers. So you want to go to the show notes and you're going to go ahead and download that launch conversation calendar. We'll have the link there for you and get started with really think about this. And again, being more intentional.
Yeah, so swinging back around, your buyer's in a different phase, a different journey, and you and your marketing are at different phases in the journey as well. And by you being very purposeful and very intentional with your list building, and again, not just getting email subscribers to get a vanity metric, but talking into the right conversation at the right time with your people, you'll be able to map out that conversation and guide people into your offers. And you have this incredible download as well. I'm super excited that we talked about this today.
Yeah, today was great. So again, thanks so much for joining us for the Online Marketing Podcast. If you love today's episode, make sure you subscribe to the show and share it with a friend. Let them know that we're here jamming all on marketing and selling and getting our offers out in front of the right people. And also make sure you grab today's freebie. We'll have the information in the show notes for you.
And remember, marketing matters.
If you would like to work with us and our team to help you snap up more sales and incredible clients with a stellar marketing strategy that works, go to adaptivemembership.com and sign up for our wait list. We have a limited number of spots in our exclusive program to set you up for success and take action. We're waiting for you at adaptivemembership.com.
Are you tired of juggling 10 different tools just to run your online business? One for your emails, another for your courses, another for scheduling, and don't even get me started on the funnels. Here's the truth. Most platforms give you features. Funnels Cake gives you results. Funnels Cake is the only all-in-one system built for course creators, membership site owners, and coaches, combining powerful software, proven marketing strategy, and real human support. That means you get everything you need to build, launch, and grow your business, all in one place. No more duct tape, no more wasted subscriptions, just one sweet system to run it all. And the best part? It's only $97 a month, and that includes daily coaching calls, 24/7 live chat with real people, and access to our entire digital ClassPass library, over $20,000 worth of funnels, templates, and courses. So if you're ready to finally stop struggling with tech headaches and actually grow your business, head to funnelscake.com. That's funnels with an S, cake.com. Funnels Cake. Software, strategy, support. Your business made sweeter.